Here I have RAZER Phone, and let me show you how to enable the backup data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the list of all applications, choose settings. Here you need to scroll down to open the personal tab and choose backup and reset. Now let's choose on backup my data, and you have to have this backup my data enabled. Let me show you. By using that switcher you can make it on. Here you've got the information about backup my data, and then you need to set the backup account. Let me tap it. If you have some Google accounts added to your device, you can use them. If not, let's choose add account. The phone is checking info, so now it's important to have the internet access, and here you can do it in two ways. You can create a new account by using that blue link, or you can sign in into your existing Google account. So let me do it that way. Let me enter my email. Alright, let's choose next. Sorry, let me correct my email. Tap next. Now let's enter your password. Alright, if you are ready, let's just simply choose next right here. Tap agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Let me leave backup to Google Drive enabled, choose agree again, and that's it. You just enable backup my data, add necessary backup account, so basically everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.